The longest hiccuping spree lasted an unbelievable 68 years, turning each hiccup into a lifetime ordeal for Charles Osborne. Imagine living with an involuntary spasm that started in 1922 and only ended in 1990. Osborne's hiccups, occurring up to 40 times a minute, became a relentless part of his everyday life, affecting everything from eating to sleeping. Despite seeking numerous treatments, the hiccups persisted, making his case a medical mystery. Yet, he led a relatively normal life, showcasing incredible resilience and determination. This astonishing tale of endurance is a testament to human adaptability in the face of relentless challenges.